I'm Dr. Bruce Holmesy, co-owner of Glendale Chiropractic Life Center. We're located in Glendale, Arizona, and people often ask me, can you adjust yourself? You know, it's like asking a mechanic, is it okay if I just take my car apart and try to just throw the pieces back in? The thing is, when you try to adjust yourself, when you just kind of wrench your spine, which you see people do, and kind of twist and turn, you may hear an audible, which we'll get into later. But that audible doesn't mean you're actually creating a correction on the spine. You can actually be creating a misalignment. The nerve system is so complex that when you have a misalignment, it doesn't always create pain. So when you're adjusting yourself or manipulating yourself, so to speak, because it's not anything specific, just random motion, hearing a popping sound. If you're actually doing that, you're actually creating more compromise of the nerve system than you are actually correcting. So you can't adjust yourself and have it be safe. So it's really important that you get your spine checked by a qualified chiropractor. If you like this video and you have any questions, please feel free to call, drop by, or send me an email.